Once the spacecraft is on the moon, it would transmit imagery, video, and data back to Earth. The rules of the Google Lunar X Prize is that we have to perform a 500-meter movement on this lunar surface, and the spacecraft is going to do this by a hop, not by rovering. The spacecraft itself, apart from taking imagery and video of the lunar surface and the landing, would also carry a scientific payload that we're now looking into what experiment we can do on the lunar surface. And this is going to be the first experiment that's been running on the moon in 40 years. So SpaceIL, the idea behind landing on the moon and how to land on the moon was actually formulated in a pub. You can actually see the first sketches that we did of the spacecraft and what are the problems and what is the timeline and everything that we thought that how the spacecraft would look like. And the basic design haven't changed since. We basically set up a meeting to just discuss in the pub, just some ideas, and this is what came out of it. Yariv said, did you guys heard about the Google Lunar X Prize? And we did, and when we kind of started growing how it's going to look like and how the spacecraft is going to work.
This is actually something that we didn't invent it. It actually happened in the past. When Neil Armstrong walked his first steps on the moon, something happened, something that is called today the Apollo effect. They didn't plan that, but kids that saw Neil Armstrong walking his first steps were engaged, were inspired, and they decided they want to go and study science, they want to go and study engineering, and this is actually what they did.
So right now we've been working on the spacecraft for almost 3 years. There's a team of about 250 volunteers that are doing the construction itself. We're working very hard with our partners, IAI, the Israeli aerospace industry, which is the main contractor for all the Israeli satellites, with Tel Aviv University, with Weizmann institutions. All those folks are helping us in building the spacecraft by providing R&D hours, by providing facilities, and so on and so forth. 1, 2, okay. There's nothing like landing on the moon.